We immediately went on the drawing board the moment we got a request on the 15th. We made our ramps. We improved our transportations. We looked at the wagons which can transport these tankers. We looked at the tankers also per se as to which are the tankers which are having the dimension, because there are 3 or 4 type of tankers which take liquid oxygen, ranging from about 3.3 meters to 4 meters, ranging from about 16,000 liters to 20,000 liters. So we had to select a particular type of wagon which could be carried within the overall dimensions of the Indian Railways, the various places, the ROBs, the RUB, the platform canopies, the ghats, the tunnels, and we zeroed in on 1 or 2 types of the road tankers. Then we had to look for an adequate type of wagon which could carry these type of rail tankers, and we could locate 2 type of wagons. We have already used one of these types for our movement from Mumbai to Vizag. These wagons were placed at Kalamboli. Then they were loaded with empty tankers which had to go all the way to Vizag, where they had to be loaded in the plant. We had to map the entire route, and as you are aware, because there is a big ghat section just closing near Lonavala and on the Igatpuri side, so we had to traverse a longer route. But yet we checked up the entire route, we mapped the entire route, we trained our people so that we could take these tankers across the country. And mind you, these are difficult tankers to be taken because oxygen is cryogenic. It's a hazardous chemical that way. You cannot move at a very high speed. You have to avoid sudden acceleration and deceleration. You have to also see the pressures in between, that the pressures are okay, especially when it is loaded. So there are a lot of constraints in movement of this oxygen, the cryogenic substance, and there are certain limitations also. And yet, the railways have taken up the challenge. I'll explain to you as the slides are there. So can I now request Narayan to start the slides, please. Balonda, Narayan, we can start the slides just to indicate.
Sir, he is doing it. Yeah.
So this is the first slide which you have seen, where these tankers were taken to Kalamboli. Some of them were also deflated so that the height can be managed. They were loaded from the ramps onto the DBKM wagons, and then they started their transportation journey from Kalamboli to Vasai, then going towards Surat, then taking a turn towards Bhusawal, Jalgaon, Nagpur, Raipur, and then traversing, you can say, almost the entire country, more than 1850 kilometers, and landing at Vizag. Doing this journey in only about 50 hours. So it was a journey which was also a transformational journey for the railways, carrying oxygen, or the Oxygen Express, a green way to move things, eco-friendly. And these tankers reached Vizag within 10 hours. They were again backloaded, they were filled, and they have started their journey back. They are expected to reach Nagpur tonight, where some of them tankers will be unloaded, and then they will terminate at Nasik, where the entire rake will be then unloaded, and then they will move to the different destinations in Maharashtra.